Declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on the 11th of March 2020, COVID-19 has become a global emergency, impacting the entire world population and economy. To ensure the safety of our staff, the Probe group of companies has put in place the following measures to combat the spread of coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. First, however, employees are reminded of Regulation 6.1 of the Disaster Management Act. No person who has been confirmed as a clinical or laboratory confirmed case as having contracted COVID-19, or who is suspected of having contracted COVID-19, or who has been in contact with a person who is a carrier of COVID-19 may refuse to submit to a medical examination, including, but not limited to, the taking of bodily sample which is authorized by law, be admitted to a health establishment or a quarantine in order to prevent transmission, submit to a mandatory prophylaxis, treatment, isolation or quarantine in order to prevent transmission. Upon arriving at the office, all employees will be screened at the entrance with a non-contact thermometer to test their temperature. A normal temperature reads between 36 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. An employee with a low-grade temperature of 37.3 degrees or more will immediately be taken to the local healthcare centre for further testing. All employees will be sanitized at the entrance by our security personnel. Employees are required to sign a register to acknowledge participation in the screening process and will receive a sticker indicating that they have been tested. No screening means no entry into the building. Social distancing, also called physical distancing, means keeping at least 1.5 meters space between yourself and colleagues you interact with. For the convenience of our employees, hand sanitizers and disposable wipes are available in all the common areas of the building. Posters promoting hand washing, the use of masks and gloves, the importance of sanitizing, together with other communication measures such as offering guidance from occupational health and safety officers, are displayed in prominent places in the building. Our kitchen and all surfaces, kitchen equipment, in other words microwaves, kettles, urns, cupboard handles, etc., will be regularly sanitized. Remember the coughing and sneezing etiquette? Flex your elbows or use a disposable tissue which must then be immediately discarded into a closed bin. Employees are also encouraged to wash their hands frequently for 20 seconds with soap and water, and to use a face mask for their own protection and that of others. For further information on the COVID-19 virus, please visit the World Health Organization at www.who.int, the Department of Health at www.health.gov.za, the National Institute for Communicable Diseases at www.nicd.ac.za, or you can call the COVID-19 South African hotline on 0800 029 999. Remember to avoid hugging or shaking hands when greeting, and always use a face mask when in public for your own protection and that of others. At Probe IMT, your safety is our priority. And remember, teamwork makes the dream work.